A very good morning to you all. Let us have a review of previous day's market. After a slight gap up opening, Indian benchmark indices, Nifty as well as Sensex ended yesterday's volatile session flattish. Nifty ended at 5,898 level, up 11 points, while Sensex ended at 19,497 level. Market breadth, which indicate the overall health of the market, was positive. In NSE, advanced decline ratio was at 1.60. 842 shares advanced, 583 shares declined, while 59 remained unchanged. The Nifty put-call ratio was at 0.86. In yesterday's session, FIs bought stocks worth 142 crore, while domestic investors sold stocks worth 110 crore. Major index gainers were DLF, Tata Steel, JP Associate and Power Grid. And the losers include Jindal Steel, Coal India and TCS. On the sectorial front, PSU Bank Index and Realty gained almost 2%, while CNX IT and Media Index were down by 0.5%. In yesterday's session, shares of DLF gained 5% due to the optimistic view of management. DLF aims to have its net debt to 110 billion rupees within 3 years through fresh equity and sale of non-core assets. Public sector companies such as MMTC and Hindustan Copper gained 9.5% and 4.5% respectively on hopes of good demand in upcoming stake sale by government. Jet Airways slumped 5% as Etihad Airways said it needs to revive its deal to buy a stake in Jet Airways. It also added that it is too soon to say when a final agreement will be struck. For the past few days, market was very volatile and was moving in a sideways manner. Major reasons for this behavior are due to profit taking due to the huge runner-up in Nifty for the last few months, drying up of liquidity due to government disinvestment plan, scheduled of big events like railway budget and union budget on next week. Moreover, cues from international market. Yesterday, a group of G20 leaders refrained any currency war in Asian region and supported Japanese government measures in stimulating stagnant economy. Coming to domestic front, on back of policy announcement which the government made during the last few months, market is optimistic about the budget. Till budget, market is expected to be range-bound and very volatile. Coming to Nifty spot technicals. Nifty spot for the past few days has ended at trading range with 5,950 on the upper band and 5,850 on the lower band. Any breakout and a 2-day close above or below the range can spark a sharp move in respective direction. For intraday, resistance are placed at 5,921 and 5,940. Meanwhile, supports are placed at 5,880 and 5,850. Coming to international market. Yesterday, US stocks market was closed for President Day holiday. In the morning, Asian indices are mixed, with Japan's Nikkei down on profit sales. In coming days, our market will take guidance from liquidity, guidelines from international market, union budget. In union budget, market is expecting a rollout of GST, that is goods and service tax. Major companies which are announcing results today are Thomas Cook and GlaxoSmith. There is a news for banking sector. RBI has finalized consultation with Finance Ministry on new banking license norms and the final guidelines will be issued before March. That's all from my side. We wish all of you a successful trading. Thank you.